think the one piece of advice I consistently give to people that want to join the aerospace community, particularly the human spaceflight part of the aerospace community, is you have to be a very patient person. Hi, my name is Julie Kramer White. I'm the Director of Engineering at Johnson Space Center. I've been there for about 37 years. I started as a cooperative education student from Purdue University back in the 80s. I worked my way up through the structural mechanics discipline areas to become a systems engineer, ultimately the chief engineer for the Orion program. And from there I became the deputy director, and now for the last 4 years I've been the director of engineering. Human spaceflight evolves over decades. It doesn't happen in years. It's not like building a satellite. Most of our big development programs may take 5, 10, 15, even 20 years, but they have long lifespans. ISS has now been occupied for over 20 years. The shuttle program lasted over 30 years. So it's a big investment of time, but it's a big payoff. But you have to have a lot of patience and persistence to stick with the ups and downs that we see in human spaceflight. If you asked me to pick what the most exciting part of Artemis and the mission is, it would be very hard to choose. I mean, what is there? You know, it's got giant rockets and it's got humans going back to the moon, development of all kinds of spaceflight hardware. I think the most exciting part about it for me has been a career dream, is to see people go back to the surface of the moon and go back to build a sustained presence there. So I look really forward to seeing a lot of the infrastructure go down on the surface of the moon that allows us to stay there for an extended period of time.